So I got the subfloor all cut and dry fit in here. All these pieces that were given to me, because remember, we're doing this with very little money and putting it together. So I'm going to use, because it's all plywood and it's all never all right here, I'm going to use these tiles that were given to me by my mother, and I'm going to use them as shims. Stick them down in shims in spots that are lower, like right here it's lower than this side. Okay, so I'm going to use shims in there, stick down shims, and then once I got it all stuck, shimmed up to the even height, then I'm going to go and screw it all in. Subfloor is all screwed down. I'm using these sticky tiles to make a little bit more level spots, because as we know, this used plywood has some low spots in it from being weathered or whatever else. And so I just used the tiles to make it a little more, not I wouldn't say level, but I would say floor is fairly even. Now, when I start putting these skid pallet, whatever they are, boards from the skid pallets, they're not going to be level either. But we'll see what we do with that when we get to it. But it looks pretty good. It's solid too. Thing's nice and solid. And I only had still two tiny leaks up there, but I'm not done the roof. So, all right, we'll catch you later. So I got the floor somewhat even. I wouldn't say level, but even. This is what I'm doing for the actual floor itself. It's all these skid boards. Okay, I've run out, so I gotta go get some more skids. Gotta be longer than 48 inches. Okay, and they're not nailed down yet, they still move a bit. I'm gonna shore them up underneath, shim them, and then when I'm gonna punch all the nails down through, leave the holes, leave the defects, leave it the way it is, and I'm gonna sand it down and varnish the whole thing. So it's gonna look pretty damn nice. Okay. But I'm out of boards right now, so off to find some more before it rains this afternoon. It's blue sky right now, but you know, this is here. We've seen rain every single time in my video. All right, and a flash. We're heading out to close to Merrickville. It's about an hour from my place. Gonna pick up some RV windows somebody has available. Always good to see stuff being reused and redone. So here we go, heading out there and we'll see what we got. And of course Finlay dog's coming with me, right Finlay? She's gonna go and see stuff too. All right, we'll catch you up later on once we're done driving. And no, I'm not holding this in my hand. It is in my my holder. I just have to press the button and it records. I don't have to do anything. I'm not even distracted. Looking straight at the road. All right? All right, Denny? I'm looking at the road. I'm not distracted. Later. Welcome back to the video. We're on a pickup this morning. Picking up some camper windows. Okay. We're out in beautiful Merrickville with Finn, the camper dog. Hey, Finn. Say hi, Finn. Hi, Finn. Say hi, Finn. Finn, the camper dog. She comes with me. She gets some beef jerky. And we pick up these windows. Perfect for what I want. All right. We'll see you back at the build. Heading back home. We got the windows. I love voice control on the phone. You know, you don't have to do anything. You just say record and it records. Okay? Hope we didn't have any copyright music. It was the end of the song. Alright, so we'll see you when we're back home. We're going to probably do something else this afternoon. Beautiful day. Might rain later on, of course. But we're going to head out and enjoy the sunshine later on. And maybe go to a farmer's market and bring Finn along. And Finn, when we picked up these windows, hey Finn, Finn got to see her first rooster, and Finn got to see her first llama, Yep. And shout out to a cat named Squiggers, I think it is. Finn met Squiggers the cat, and we'll get back to you once we're home. All right, catch you later. Give me a kiss. Give me kisses. Oh, kisses from Finlay in the drive. She was a good girl. Yeah. Finlay saw her first llama. She saw, yeah, you see that? And a rooster going cock-a-doodle-doo. Hey, all right. Didn't mean to hit a copyright notice there. We're back home. Nice road trip, Finn and I. Sure can't tell. Yep. Hey, we can get a view of the camper from the driver's side. Let's see what we can do. Going in. The black beast is the camper. I don't know if I showed you this before, but I do have an air conditioner that's going to go in, and I'm going to make a slide out for that. It will sit near the floor, and there'll be a slide out. I saw somebody do that online, and they slide out with a door attached to it, and when they don't use it, they slide it back in, lock it in place, and the door seals up. And I've got a breaker panel with tons of breakers in it, both 15 and 30 amp, maybe even 20 amp, I don't know. So I've got that, some 12 volt wiring, got that given to me too. Okay, I think it's fine. I think it's 28 or 30, 33 gauge, but I'm looking up, looks like it might be okay. I'll try it out, you know, what can I do? Because, you know, everything I get isn't great, and I do what I can. Let's see how these things, this is the window that's going to fit in the 37. This is where a shower is going to go, so I'm not going to put a big window in there. I'm going to get a small window to go up top. And then there's a 5 foot, not a 5 foot, 4 foot or so window. It may go in the back, but I think I have another plan for the back. And then we have a side window that goes at the bed, right there. And then we have another side window that will go up there, bed there. Might be bed or counter, depending on what I decide to do here. I still need a couple small windows here for the seats, for the table. A couple small windows there. But I don't need a small window on the other side because, yeah, look, I wrote on there so people can see it. Don't need a window for the other side because this is where the stove and fridge are going to sit. Too much sunshine. Stove and fit are going to fit right in there. Stove and fridge, sorry, not stove and fit. Stove and fridge going to fit right in there. Okay, and this is where the door goes, and I got a nice door inside for that. Okay, and then when I build up there, I've got a window that goes in the front. Sorry for the sun glare. Got a window that's going to go in the front there, and I'm looking for 2 small side windows that go up in the top there for ventilation. So all I need is 2 small windows. Okay, and then I can, I have all my windows. And of course, if you know, I've got those out there. So, all right, see you in a smidge. Well, I think we'll close off this video with the usual closing. And what's usual happening during our day, our week. It rains. So not much we can do when it's raining. This time we got lightning going on. Okay. Look at all that orb floating around. I don't know if that's, no, up and down, all around. We can get a flash. Come on, lightning, there it is. Let's close this off now. Just finished an awesome dinner. My wife made some deep fried chicken, Asian style. I don't know the name of it. Rice, Korean pancakes. And just gonna shut this video off for this week and go and compile it for you. Remember, can't learn from us because we don't know what we're doing. And as somebody said, when we say we have no budget, it doesn't mean we have all the money in the world. No, it means we have no money and we're working trades and things for it. All right, and doing what we can, just like the windows I picked up today. All right, so we'll see you on the next video next week. Take care, have fun, stay dry. All right, maybe we can get a flash just before we go. Thor or Zeus, there we go. Thank you. So I got the drive. I've got the cut, blah 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 blah. So I got the dry. Did it again.